LESSO Solar Liquid Cooling Cabinet helps enterprises to put energy storage project into operation. On April 16, the 430 kilowatts capacity energy storage equipment undertaken by LESSO has been successfully installed and put into operation, and 2 sets of 215 kilowatt-hours liquid cooling distributed. Intelligent energy storage systems will be installed in the first phase. Guangxiong Carton Ltd is a national high-tech enterprise mainly engaged in paper products manufacturing, with an average daily production capacity of 800,000 square meters cardboard and 200,000 cartons. The project is anticipated to recover its investment costs in roughly 3 years after it is connected to the grid and put into service, offering the business a reliable power supply, peak valley spread arbitrage services, capacity management, and demand-side response. The project makes use of cutting-edge liquid cooling technology, which can lengthen its service life. In addition, the intelligent monitoring system can track the battery's condition in order to satisfy the needs in different scenarios. Remote monitoring and fault diagnosis functions can identify and address issues flexibly,